Today I am going to explain the structure of nucleus. I have said in previous video also about the nucleus. So nucleus is basically very important part for the cell, and it controls all the functions, all the activities of a cell. And nucleus has the main components as first is nuclear membrane, nuclear membrane, then third is second is nucleolus, third is nucleoplasm, and fourth is genetic material. So these are the four components: nuclear membrane, nucleolus, and third is nucleoplasm, and fourth is genetic material. Now I am going to detail about this. Now see, nucleolus is a round structure, circular structure. It has double layered membrane, which is called as nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane has double layer. It is like this. Just it is circular. It is made up of two walls. It is double layered. The layer is double, and it is like this. So double layer is there. So this is nuclear membrane covering of nucleus. Now this is the pore, nuclear pore. Holes are there to allow exchange of materials inside and outside. And then there is the nucleolus. Nucleolus is a oval or circular structure. It is inside the nucleus, and this is called as, this is nucleolus. This is nucleolus. Nucleolus is a circular structure, or it may be oval structure, and it is inside. It can be present anywhere, not necessary. It can be here also, or it can be inside. Then there are the thread-like structures. There are the thread-like structures. Thread-like structures, and this is genetic material. This is genetic material. Genetic material is the chemical substance which is responsible for the transmission of genetic character from the parents to their child. Once again I am repeating, genetic material is in the form of DNA. Genetic material is in the form of DNA. DNA is the chemical substance. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. What? Deoxyribonucleic acid. So it is responsible for the transmission of characters from the parent to a child. Now coming to nucleolus. Now nucleolus has RNA. Nucleus has RNA and ribosomes. Nucleus has RNA. It has genetic material, has DNA. It has RNA. Both are very important. RNA, ribonucleic acid. Ribosomes are very tiny particles which are responsible for the synthesis of protein. So RNA and ribosomes, they are responsible for the synthesis of protein, which is very important for a organism. So this is now genetic material in the form of threads. Genetic material in the form of threads, and we call chromatin. We call chromatin reticulum. We call chromatin reticulum or chromatin thread. So this is one. Now nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is a liquid. Nucleoplasm is a liquid which helps in the scattering or the floating of any component. So nucleus is an organelle present inside the nucleus. So keep on revising. These points are very important, and you know what is the function of nucleus. So I have said one, that it is responsible for the transmission of characters. Second, it controls entire activity of the cell. Then it contains nucleolus. Nucleus has this RNA and ribosomes. They help in the synthesis of protein. Actually, RNA helps in the synthesis of protein. Protein is synthesized by ribosomes and RNA helps. You will see in her classes. It is very complex process, and so this is all about the structure of nucleus.